Just round the corner of this ancient abandoned church, you have an incredible yew tree with tombs within its root complex. I mean, look at this. That is incredible. This must be pretty ancient. It's growing through the tomb, and its coverage covers some others. I mean, look at these. Once upon a time this must have been quite a revered place, I guess, because there's lots of elaborate tombage. Yeah, back to the tree. 1, 2, looks like a tabletop of a tomb. Just looks incredible. There's still other graves outside, but again, sad to see it in such disrepair, but good to see it still exists.